for part 3. I don't know quite how I managed to do it, but it's been pointing out there's another element of this process I missed in the cleaning. So we're going to take it off again and take a look at that. It's nice green oil still, which is good. Well, maybe I should have let that drain a bit more. Right, so in terms of the bit that I previously missed, I didn't take this out, which apparently comes out so you can inspect. I didn't take this out, so we're going to do those now. Oh wow! Right. Oh. Well, we might have our problem here because that is really jammed. Right, I've been having a little look on various forums, and this I obviously can't get to budge, and I'm worried about damaging. The MG experience talks about you should be able to see stuff in here moving, but also they're suggesting that possibly if you can I've got some movement in my spring, which I guess is a good thing. So that's definitely moving a little bit, but somehow I've got to get this out. So I've sprayed it with brake cleaner to clean it, and then I've sprayed it with penetrating fluid to see if that helps loosening it up a bit. And I'm leaving it to soak. But where's the chemical? But what I'm just gonna try to show up here. Can we? So just here we can see, and you can see I've got some movement on that spring, and they were suggesting that maybe by moving this you'd get it to come loose. I think, I'm not sure anyway. I've got a little bit of wriggle there at least, which at least one other person apparently didn't have. But they've also said you should be able to see it moving occasionally. I'm not quite sure when they mean you should, because it sounds like they're talking about it when it's off the car, but I tried sticking it in 4th gear, ignition on, all of that, and then turning the rear wheel, and I didn't see any movement in it. Oh, I don't know, I'm really stuck. Okay, one of the things I need to do is a continuity test. So whilst I'm thinking about the other stuff. So here's my, I'm just going to put this on the casing, and we can see I've got continuity. So I know that the is it the coil or whatever within the solenoid is okay. So I know the solenoid is okay from that point of view. So I've just got to get that pump out. It seems to be the only thing that's left, and it does seem to be well and truly jammed in there, so I just don't know how I'm going to do it. Just trying to give you some idea about how tight that pump's in there. So this snaps, trying to undo it. I don't know what to do. Right, I've fashioned this tool not very well because they're not exactly straight, but we'll see how it goes. I'm not got a great lot of hope, but this should give me a bit more traction on here, and so yeah, that's just right. So we might try cutting that off and welding another piece on straighter. Right. So I've created a very elegant tool. I don't have a lot of faith that it will work, but hopefully it'll give me a bit more traction on trying to twist in here. No, it won't, because I don't think I've made it so that it'll fit. Buggeration. Right, so that length is too. Right, back in a sec. Okay, well, I'm going to give up on this. So this is the second attempt at the tool, and and it's just too wide. I've made it so that they're just a little bit too far apart now, and haven't got any more of that. Can't find any more thin kind of Allen key size metal to try something else. So I'm going to give up for today. I'll come back to the Overdrive in a little while. I think I need to have a rest from it and a think about what to do, and then I'll come back to it and have another go, and we'll see where we go from there. Yeah.